So off the back, I'm coming in putting a really thin layer of acrylic onto the nails because I didn't want them to be too bulky. I needed a glow-in-the-dark background and I had no nude glow-in-the-dark gel polish and I really didn't know how to obtain any in the short amount of time, so I just made the glow-in-the-dark acrylic, and I can do a video on how I made that if requested. Since I have no followers, probably won't be. But you can see they glowed in the dark, so excellent. So just coming in and shaping those nails and making sure they have that nice stiletto prep tip. Now I'm coming in with my line nail art brush. So this is actually not my line nail art brush. It's one of those gel art brushes. And I had got it off of Amazon. It came in like a pack of, I don't know, like 12 or 15 or something. Great price at like $20, and they work amazing. They cure wonderful. The bottles are really packed. But other than that, really good to use, so I don't have to keep pouring it to the side. And so I'm doing like a design that I saw on Instagram, and it's like some squiggly line works, and then they have some different widths of the lines. So that's, I'm kind of like trying to imitate that somewhat to a T. And you can see in that glow in the dark, what we wanted to accomplish was when they glowed in the dark, you would be able to really see the line work. And you know what I'm saying? I understood the assignment. Okay. So yeah, just going in and doing those designs. Yeah. Also, I did not realize that the lighting was so bad until like the very last nail, to where you could really see me put the line work in. So really sorry about that. I'm totally new to all of this. Now we have the bling factor, obviously. So just going in with my pin art bling glue that I use to add the bling to the nail. So I had to fix that nail because I don't know if the light turned off and it made the gel polish puckle. So I had to go back over it to fix that ugly puckle look that it does when it doesn't cure right or cure all the way. And so just going in and adding these blings to the design. And then yeah, there you have it. There's the look. There's the glow. Thanks for watching.